Thinking about buying from Newegg, but wondering if your dream PC parts will actually show up, or if you'll get stuck with a lemon? First, let's look at Newegg's scale. They're a massive online retailer specializing in electronics and computer hardware, operating for over 20 years. This established history means they've processed millions of transactions. A history like that provides a good base of trust. A crucial point, Newegg isn't just Newegg. They also host third-party sellers on their marketplace. Pay close attention to the seller listed on the product page. Buying directly from Newegg typically offers the most reliable experience with returns and support. Always read the product reviews. Focus on reviews mentioning shipping speed, product condition, and customer service experiences. Look for patterns. Are multiple people reporting the same issue? That's a red flag. Before clicking buy, thoroughly review Newegg's return policy. Understand the conditions for returns, the time frame you have to initiate one, and who covers the return shipping costs. Knowing this upfront prevents nasty surprises. The bottom line, Newegg can be trustworthy if you're informed. Do your homework, scrutinize seller information and reviews, and understand the return policy. A little research goes a long way in ensuring a smooth purchase.